Eimor Customs Envy, a Royal Enfield Bullet Classic 350 modified into a Scrambler. Eimor Customs, a Hyderabad-based motorcycle modification house, has finished a new Scrambler project, the Eimor Envy. We have come across a lot of Scrambler modification in India, but only very few among of them are worth mentioning, and the Eimor Envy is definitely one. The Scrambler is built over a Royal Enfield Bullet Classic 350 platform. The modification was done with utmost detail and quality. The Bullet was completely stripped down and the typical Scrambler elements were loaded into. The base Royal Enfield Classic 350 came from Warangal, Telangana. Eimor Custom refers the Envy as a cave racer, though it has the characteristics of a Scrambler. The Eimor Envy is finished in a matte green paint scheme with a harmoniously greener quality flatbed seat. The seats are made from high quality leather with contrast white stitches. The Envy employs a 19-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel with black spokes. The wheels are wrapped with big block tires, something typically for scramblers. The motorcycle gets a new fuel tank which is larger than that of a stock Classic 350. The tank also gets a painted Royal Enfield diesel on its side, along with a push cap. The Envy also gets a retro branding graphics on its fuel tank. The logo is accompanied by a pair of subtitle racing stripes. Adding even more to the retro trait is the small round headlamp. The light has a yellow shade, a design cue seen in classic motorcycles in motorsport. Above the headlamp sits the twin-port instrument cluster. The meters are borrowed from the Classic 350, which looks nice and different on the Eimor Envy. The handlebars are set comparatively erect and come with grips made from natural rubbers. The engine has been left stock. The 349cc single-cylinder engine of the Royal Enfield Bullet Classic 350 produces 19.8 bhp at 5250 rpm and 28 Nm of torque at 4000 rpm. The filter box has a unique design in the form of a meshed compartment. Though it looks different, the filter setup is still the same, keeping long-term maintenance in mind. Eimor Custom has installed a Megaphone Exhaust on the Envy. The exhaust starts from a wrapped bent pipe which looks and functions well. The frame of the Eimor Envy is a bit different from that of a regular Classic 350. The seat frame is single piece pipe with good strength and stability. Finally, at the rear, the Envy gets a single LED taillight resting on the top of a narrow number plate. Thoughts of the Eimor Customs Envy. The Eimor Envy is one among those mods which can be termed as a work of art. The minimalist styling, but with attention to detail, is what which makes the Envy stand apart from the rest. The Eimor Envy also makes us wonder why Royal Enfield hasn't made a Scrambler as a production model. They do have a cafe racer. Why not a Scrambler?